This is my 7th video, and in this video I'm gonna unbox my MEGAMINX. Let's unbox it. First, here that's a cello tape. Let's take this out. And even this side too. Let's take the cello tape out. I took the cello tape, the second cello tape. Now let's open this. 3, 2, 1. Yay! My first ever MEGAMINX. Three, 4, 5, 6. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this has 12 sides and this. Moyu Melong Cubing Classroom Momo Fank MEGAMINX and whatever that is, I don't know. Moyu. Carbon Fire Stickerless. Mine is this stickerless. And there's even a manual, not manual, instruction guide maybe, how to solve this. This is too long. This is in Chinese and even in English. I'll show you how big it is. Very big. This is how long it is. A manual instruction guide this long. And this is Chinese, what I cannot read. There are big steps of how to solve this, but I literally really cannot understand this. And some of the members of Moyo. This cube is called Moyo, and the brand store name is Moyo. Yeah, now this is everything I got. So this is the end of the video. Let's see you in my next video. Bye.